Here's a quick guide to checking your stock in Zoho Books. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account and navigating to the Reports section. Look for the Inventory Summary report. It gives you a full overview of your stock. Click it and hit Run Report to generate the data. The report shows several key metrics. Stock on hand tells you the quantity physically in your warehouse. Quantity ordered shows stock you've ordered from suppliers but haven't received yet. Committed stock represents items allocated to sales orders but not yet shipped, so you know what's promised to customers. Finally, available for sale gives the number of items ready to sell, factoring in stock on hand and committed stock. By understanding these metrics, you can manage inventory efficiently, plan orders better, and ensure you meet customer demands. And that's it, your quick guide to checking stock in Zoho Books.